If you just installed an Ohmmu battery in your vehicle and you suddenly get a 12-volt alert message, there's a good chance that the message is being received in somewhat erroneously. And that is an artifact of the lead acid battery that was in there before, and potentially of the way that the vehicle is testing the battery. What we recommend that you do is check the voltage. That's going to be your best indicator of health. And so you will check the voltage using the Ohmmu Energy app. And even more specifically, check the balance of the cells, and that is going to be a really good indicator if there is a bad cell in that battery or not. When you check the voltage, you want to see that the voltage on that 12-volt battery is over 13. And then when you're checking for the balance, what you're looking for is that the delta, or the change between cells, is below 10 millivolts. Even better, I mean, if it's below 5 millivolts, that's even better. Any tighter is great, but 10 millivolts is kind of a threshold. If the voltage, if the overall voltage is in a good, healthy range, and the balance is pretty good, less than 10 millivolts, the chances are pretty good that you actually have a very healthy battery and that the cells are very healthy. Go ahead and reset your vehicle. Depending on the vehicle, that method could be very different, but generally speaking, it involves a deep power down reset, which is ultimately, it's not going to be the same as just a software reset. Like some vehicles, like the Tesla, you hold your thumbs down on the steering wheel buttons to do a software reset. This isn't that. You need to do what's called a deep power down reset, which actually allows all of the different modules in the car, because there's a lot of different computers in these cars. It allows all of them to power down completely and then reboot back together all at the same time under the energy of the 12-volt battery. And that generally speaking, that will clear any of the alerts, because that allows things to reset and resync voltages between all the modules and different alert and monitoring systems. The case where your voltage is below 13, you may need to recharge the battery, and we will talk in another video about how to recharge your 12-volt battery in these vehicles.